Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to cut your nails. It is important to cut your nails because you can prevent against ingrowing nails and of course of damaged nails, etc. And it is possible to cut your nails with a scissor on your feet. Of course, this is possible. But the professional thing and the best thing is to cut with this device. It is a nail pliers. In this case, it is a gainful monster wow device. It is a head cutter with one tip. Really strong that is. Thanks to the curved cutting edge and tip adapted to the shape of the nail. This remos nail nipper cuts fingernails as well as toenails and treats ingrowing toenails. You have here an high quality product. Stainless steel pliers have replaceable screws, double springs, and can be disinfected. The length is 14 centimeters, that are 5.5 inches. The remote head cutter with one tip, a nail-shaped edge, rust-resistant and hardened stainless steel, box joint, slim tips, therefore versatile to cut ingrown nails, and the length is 14 millimeters. It is so important to cut your nails, your toenails, I think once a month. This is enough. I think so. And you will use for this, of course, a scissor or a nipper, but I am loving this device here. It is a nail pliers, a head cutter, and the special thing is that it comes with two heads, and it has a form like a half moon. And look at your nails. They're on half moon too. Wow, that means the only thing you have to do is set this nail plier into position. Push, job's done. This is really easy, and you can prevent against ingrown toenails because it is so nice developed. It is so nice cutted, and it is so easy to handle. The only thing you have to take care is don't cut your skin with this because it's so powerful. First step, go under your nails, then till a little bit, have a look, and then cut it into pieces easily, really easy. It is two-handed design. You can use it as left-handed guy and right-handed girl, of course. No problem for all kind of nails. Yeah, it is for your toenails. This is a primary thing, really, because it is a strong nail plier and it is a strong head cutter. But you also can use it for your fingernails too. No problem with this. That means easy going. It is important to cut your nails to prevent against the ingrown toenails. Cut your nails so that your nail will do not look over your skin in the front side of your finger or your tooth nails, of course. Yeah, then you are the right direction and the right shape and the right thing to cut them into pieces. Oh, yeah. And here you can see it is really easy to cut this. And it is fast and easy going. So, cut your nails with pliers. Really awesome. I like it so much. I will continue this each month. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.